So I wanted to give you a sense of the geology of Santorini, because this particular vantage point, I'm at the church just below Scaros Rock, but I'm looking out over the Santorini Caldera, and you can imagine before the volcano that blew open what we now know as the crescent-shaped island of Santorini, this entire area used to be filled with land. The eruption sent all that land flying. That space, now empty, was filled with water. So we're looking out at Thracia Island now, but originally the whole Santorini landmass used to come all the way across this in a giant island before it was blown open. Now you've got Nea Kameni. Off at the very southern tip of the crescent is Akrotiri. Santorini winds all the way around here and all the way here in a crescent, and then the northern tip of the island out there in Ia. So that's the island of Thracia that was not a separate landmass originally. So it used to go right across there. So when we talk about the Santorini Caldera, we're talking about this entire space, what's both now filled with water, as well as the steep ridge of a cliff top that is Fira and Amerivigli all the way over to Ia. So it came down from Scaros Rock there on the hike here to the beautiful white church right below. And it's a particularly unique vantage point out over the caldera here. Not so many people make it down here. Gorgeous spot. Imagine this was all one landmass before the volcano erupted and blew it in every direction, creating what we now know today as the Santorini Caldera.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.